Baka mahilo ako, no?
Coming at you live from Blue Wave Studios. Hey, you were smoking in the hallway the moment that you saw me stumbling up the stairs to the show. Yeah, you wore a chain link necklace, beautiful and reckless, brands like neon signs on your clothes. And I thought, who is this stranger girl I used to know? Style so of the times I thought she jumped out of my
Hi! Mag-Christmas kami!
There she stood before me.
Thank you sa pagpunta. Alam kong maaga pero dumating kayo. Salamat sa inyo.
Oh man.
Kuya, natanggal.
Somewhere in a dream or
Oo, first time po. Parang,
I flash back to us in your car. Disposable cameras. You put your hand on my arm, grab a rope, slow down, slow. But the back goes still so low for me and I'm
Ito ang araw na inyong pinili upang kayong dalawa ay makipag-ipan sa isa't isa at kayo'y basbasan ng Diyos.
masaya. Sobrang saya. Kakasal na. Sasakal na. It's 13 years po. Secret is kailangan maging understanding ka sa partner mo and then committed ka, hindi lang love yung mangingibabaw.
so in love.
Ngayon si Dart, pwede mo nang halikan ng iyong may bahay na si Shika May.
But the moon, all the stars,
Maging happy ka lang, anak. Congratulations, anak.
like a dream, like an old movie scene.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Shika May na narito ngayon alinsunod sa ating inang simbahan?
Opo, Father.
For all of time, I'll be with you by your side. Highest heights through the longest winter nights. Time may be cruel, but my heart won't get over you. So as we grow old, I hope
Amoy pang maya. Hope you like my little gift for our wedding. I love you. I love you. I love myself too.
Alam mo na kung ano ang dapat. Kasi ikaw ay kakasal mo. Wala si mama at papa. Tayo na lang. I love you, sister.
am I only one?
Kayong dalawa ay tinawag ng Diyos para sa isa't isa upang gampanan ng isang misyon. At anong misyong ito? Upang simulan ang isang panibagong pamilya.
To my lost love and to my husband. From this day forward, you shall not walk alone. My heart will be your shelter, and my arms will be your home.
I am listening. You are the voice whispering in my
I choose you and promise to choose you as my wife every day we wait. I will love you in word and deed. I will laugh with you, cry, scream, grow, and craft with you. To be your king and your partner in all of life's adventure is all I could hope for in the world. Loving what I know of you and trusting what I don't yet know.
Congratulations. Ito na yung inaantay mo. So, sa tinagal-tagal nyo, eto na.
alam ko yung mga pinagdaanan mo. So, sana maging happy kayo lalo. Yun lang. Oh, naiyak ako. Charot.
Ikaw ba'y nakalaang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father. With you, I've learned that love is not just a feeling. It is a choice, a commitment. Today, I choose to love you, not just for who you are today, but for all that you will become.
What's in my head, falling free like a simple song by ecstasy. It won't matter, on and on, a familiar sound calling.
I give you my hand, I give you my love, I give you myself, the good, the bad, and the yet to come. Love you.
Ooh,